All right, so I'm going to start off talking about Pear Deck. It's something that was recommended to me by my teacher mentor who works with me at my school, evaluates me, things like that. She's been just a great source of advice and information for me, and she had recommended this to me some time ago, and I had never really looked into it, so I took this as an opportunity to do that. Honestly, I was really impressed with it. Um, Here is what it's about, why I chose it. Um, as I mentioned, it had been recommended to me, and it really works well with Google Slides, which is something that I use a lot already. Um, my goals and objectives were to find a way to enhance my presentations because honestly, I don't like giving presentations, and when I do, I keep them really short because I just don't want to bore the kids. And this is a way to really liven up your presentations and make them more interactive. So you can present the information in a way they're going to receive it better, and it really bridges that gap, so that works well. The intended audience is my students, and here are the ISTE standards, and here are my resources, but I'm going to try to spend most of my time actually showing you what is there. So essentially you go to the site and it provides an add-on for you that you can use with your Google Slides. So for example, I have added some of the slides here that are available. All you have to do when you're in your Google Slides is you go up here where it says add-ons, go down to Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on, and click on that to activate it. It shows up over here. And provides a lot of different things that you can do, and I just wanted to show you some of the slides that you can create. This one, for example, interactive. Again, this would be really good for assessing knowledge. So there's just so many good things that it does for you educationally as a teacher. Again, summarizing, it's a good way, another good way to assess what the kids actually know about the subject matter. It has social, emotional things that you can put in here, and we all know that that's a really important thing with kids now is the social and emotional aspect of the student, really trying to be sensitive to those things. Um, One of the things I really like about it is when you click to allow the kids to make a choice, and that it shows you what shows up on the student's device, and it shows you what is going to show up on the projector, so you really have an idea what it's going to look like exactly. And I just appreciate that because I want to know what it's going to look like when you actually do that. So again, a lot to offer there. I would highly recommend it, especially if you do like to use Google Slides like I do. And I'm honestly really looking forward to using this. So that's number one. That's Pear Deck. In the resources, it has a link there, but it's just peardeck.com, really easy to find. So hope you enjoyed this, and I will get ready for number two.